Hey, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Well, today's been a real endurance test. Many of us hiding in caves and locking ourselves in fridges to avoid being boiled alive. Good news is we've got some wind and rain coming, so cooler days ahead, but still no relief in sight for the muggy nights. Top temps in the mid to high 30s on the Sunshine Coast today. Not record breakers, but persistently hot nights and high humidities making for extreme heat discomfort. The satellite loop, we had a line of storms moving through the Darling Downs this afternoon. They're weakening and probably won't reach here tonight. However, the tables turn tomorrow as the wind changes and suddenly we'll get some cloud developing off the sea and reinstalling a few showers and thunderstorms, which should last most of the week. Let's have a look at today's chart then. We've got an inland trough, fairly strong system, and you can see to the east of it there are hardly any isobars, so winds aren't that strong. They're freshening up now over the water, though, but they're mostly from the north-northwest, so their origin is in the steamy waters of the northern Coral Sea. It's the most humid wind you can get at this time of year, especially exaggerated by the fact that the oceans are overheated. Now, on tomorrow's chart, the bottom end of the trough moves off the coast, and in behind it, the next high pushes a south to southeasterly change, which will not only come in with some showers and storms, but it will also be a lot cooler, at least by day. There is a strong wind warning for it. On the chart after that, you can see that the high, as it moves out to sea, the easterly wind comes in, maintaining humidity, but at least we'll get showers and thunderstorms and the tops won't be as high. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Sunshine Coast waters. Like I said, a strong wind warning has been issued for a 20 to 30 knot south to southeast change, arriving by early afternoon. Lighter northwesterlies ahead of the change. A 1 metre easterly swell today on the open beaches, square onto the shoreline, so pretty unstable, especially with the rising north wind. High tide at the crack of dawn tomorrow, though it's only a baby tide with the half moon just gone. A second high tide's due late afternoon. Now, the southeast coast district, cloudy with showers and storms developing. Maroochydore 23 to only 29 degrees, what a relief. Nambour 28, Gympie 32. Looking ahead for Maroochydore, big storms this week with increasing chance of rain as the east wind becomes saturated with moisture. Days should cool down, but nights will stay warm. Well, the stats are in, and Monash University have kindly put together a time series showing the average January daytime temperature for Sunshine Coast Airport over its history. This January wasn't the hottest on record, but if the trend is anything to go by, a swimming pool might be a good investment for the years ahead. Catch you tomorrow, folks. Back to you, Rob.
Good on you, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. As always, thanks for your company. And a reminder, the replay in a moment on 7:2. We've got the National Bulletin now. Catch you tomorrow night. Good night.